How many times you feel not right, tossing and turning through the night. As the day goes by, you seem like you're searching in the dark. But when
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Lillian, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys some products that I ordered via Instagram. I stumbled on that page on Instagram. I've never bought anything from them before, so I don't know if what they sell there is original, but I realized they were doing clearance sales, so I decided to take advantage of that because I saw some really cool products on sale, so I placed order for them and they had them delivered to me. But before I go into the quick tutorial I want to be doing with this product, I want to make sure that this video is more of skin than products, and the best way to get that to happen is by priming your face properly, moisturizing it. If possible, wear a mask. Because it's been a long time since I last used a face mask, I decided to okay, this is a perfect opportunity for me to wear a mask. So I decided to wear one. While the mask is sitting on my face, I used that time to unbox the products, and as you can see in the video. So please, but before we go further into the video, please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. So this mask here is supposed to be on my face for at least 15 to 16 minutes, but because of time I cut it short to 11 minutes. So after about 11 minutes I took down the mask. You can see how hydrated my face is looking. Is really looking, I love what I'm seeing and how I feel. So just fan the product into your skin. Because there's no fan, I'm using my hands to fan myself so that it can penetrate into the skin. You don't have to wipe this out at all. And in case you're wondering what mask I wore, is by Essence. Okay, so but I'm going to leave the name of everything I use in this video down in the description box. So I'm going in with my moisturizer to moisturize my face properly. I really want this tutorial video to be more of skin, so I have to prep it for me to be able to achieve that. Because I have said that I want this video to be more of skin, so I'm going to use Hydrated Primer by Maybelline. This one here is really soft and it add a bit of shine to your face.
as the day goes by, you seem like you're searching in the dark.
With my spooling brush, I'm just going to comb my brows out. Now guys, I cannot remember the last time I used an actual eye pencil to draw my brows. It's either I'm using the brow gel or a mascara. Yes, actual mascara. Because this thing is really, it doesn't take much time.
We have come very far.
So I just brush, and then I use my concealer to define the brows, and I'm good to go. So I want to maintain that same energy in this video. So I'm going in with my Elegant Pro concealer, and this one is in the shades Warm Honey to define my brows. I'm going in with my eyeshadow primer from Kiss Beauty to add on my lid. This one is pretty easy to blend just with my fingers, you can see. I'm going in with this palette from Beauty UK, and I'm taking the light purple to apply on my transition. I just want to do something like a smoky eye, nothing serious. What I didn't show you guys in the video is that I used a contour. Yes, I use a contour, and then at some point I went back into the palette and came back with the orange shade just to blend in between the transition, just to apply around there. Nothing serious. Like I told you guys, this video I want it to be as simple as possible. So I'm going in with my eyeliner. This thing here is one of the easiest thing to do right now when it comes to makeup. So the only thing you need here to get it well done is time. Don't be in a rush when you're doing this, and if you do not have time, just don't do it, because if you're doing it in a hurry, you'll be tense and it's not going to come out well. But if you keep your heart one place, just relax your mind and give yourself some time, just draw it, you're gonna get it, trust me. So I'm going in with my mascara to comb out my own lashes before applying forces. Now let me quickly give you this advice: before you apply any lashes on your face, make sure that you test it first to see if it's the size of your eyes or not. So once that is done, I'm going in with my Vaseline to prime my lips. So with my Maybelline Superstay Foundation, and I'm in the shade 360. I use it to define the upper parts of my brows. If you use a concealer, it's going to give you a hard time to blend, but when you use a foundation, it's blended so easily without much struggle. So I'm going in with my Elegant Pro concealer, and this one is in the shade Warm Honey, and I'm going in with this blending brush here to blend. You can see how easy it is. If you want your brush to blend fast without struggle, make sure that you hair dry it. Don't sun dry it, okay? Wash it maybe the night before, and then squeeze the water out and allow it there. When you want to use it, oh my god, you will enjoy it. I like using a small brush when it comes to my contour on the nose area. It helps me gain control. So with my Maybelline Fit Me setting powder, I'm setting my entire face, and I'm going in with this bronzer that I picked up randomly at the market without even looking at the name. But don't worry, I'm going to leave it down in the description box so you can see if you like it. So with the lipstick that I ordered, this thing is supposed to be glossy, but I hope you are seeing what I'm saying. That thing is matte. So I just use my mascara to line my waterline. And guys, be ready for the big review. I hope I look amazing. Oh my god, I love this makeup. So here is the finished look. Guess what I love the most about this video? The skin. You can see how it glittering. I love the skin.
Like you're searching in the dark, but when the darkness turns to light, all the troubles fade away to nothing. Honey, trust me, everything's gonna be okay.
I'm going to be giving you guys my candid opinion about this product. The best product for me among the three products is the benite setting powder. It's not cakey like most of the powders I've used in the past. When you bake, by the time you want to blend, no matter how good sponge or brush is, it will leave you with that impact, that cakey impact around your, especially around my under eye. So I like the fact that it's not cakey, you just blend it, it vanishes quickly, effortlessly. I like the benite powder for that. This brush, I expected more than it gave me. As you can see, it looks floppy and really cool, but the only thing I enjoyed here for today about this brush is that it's soft on the skin. It's really soft on the skin. That's the only thing I enjoyed. I don't like how it applies the powder. Maybe I'll switch it from a powder brush to a bronzer brush. I think it will work better with a bronzer, or it's not bad, it's good, it's fine, it's beautiful, but I give it 60%. This one, because they made me work too hard and I'm still not getting that result that I wanted. It's not, they should have indicated that it's a matte and not gloss. Because of that, you can see it's breaking, because we have different methods of applying these things and they work for you. So because it was not indicated, so whoever buys this will think it's a lip gloss. It will just go and apply and it will leave you, you won't like what you see. So I don't like the lips gloss or the lipstick. I don't like it, but it's not completely bad if you use it the right way. Now that I know it's not a gloss, when next I want to use it, I will know how to apply it so it will work for me. All right, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.